Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can find and watch random live videos on Instagram app. So firstly, open the Instagram app on your device. Then you'll be led to the homepage of the app. And on the top left corner, you'll see a plus icon with your profile. Tap on that. After you open the camera, on the bottom you can see options of post, story, reels and live. Tap on the live option by scrolling from left to right. Then proceed to record the live by either tapping on the live button or just holding the button. Now on the countdown of 3, you will now be live on your Instagram. On the bottom right corner, you'll see an arrow. If you tap on that, you'll be able to send the live to whoever you want. Tap on an account that you'd like to send the live to, that you'll also have an access of, or else you'll have to create a new account. After that, you can immediately end the live by tapping on the cross button on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on End Video. You can either view the live and archives, discard the media or share as a reel. Here I'm going to discard the live by tapping on Discard Media and then tapping on the discard button on the pop-up. Then go to the Instagram account that you just shared your live to. Then tap on the message icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the Instagram account. Now if you tap on the watch more button as shown on the screen, you'll be led to a page where you can watch multiple live videos of random people. You can also tap on the see all button to view all the suggested live videos. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.